Hi, welcome back. Lesson how to fix iPhone swipe up not working after iOS 27 software update. If the swipe up gesture suddenly stops working after installing iOS 27, don't panic at all. In many cases, the issue is caused by a temporary software glitch that occurs after a major update. Since the swipe up gesture is responsible for returning to the home screen, opening the app switcher and unlocking certain navigation features, it can make your iPhone feel almost unusable. But fret not, there is a pretty quick way to get the better of this annoying problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to first restart your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that the most effective solution is to first restart your iPhone. Unlike a regular restart, a first restart clears temporary system glitches without deleting any of your personal data. It refreshes the operating system and often restores normal touch and gesture functionality within minutes. For those unfamiliar, a first restart reloads iOS and clears temporary bugs that may have developed during or after the iOS 27 installation. Is the first troubleshooting step Apple recommends for many unresponsive system issues. So just press and release the volume up button. Then you have to quickly press and release the volume down button. Then you have to hold down the side button aka the power button. Now keep holding the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release it. Then wait for your iPhone to restart completely. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, test the swipe up gesture to find out whether or not it has started to work properly. If the swipe up gesture starts working again, it's a good idea to check for a newer iOS update. Apple frequently releases bug fix updates shortly after major software releases to resolve issues affecting touch responsiveness, gestures, stability, and overall performance. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then select Software Update, and then go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device, and that's about it. Installing the latest iOS update not only helps eliminate known glitches but also improves your iPhone's stability, security, and overall performance, reducing the chances of the swipe up issue returning. And that's about it. If I found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.